What's going on, everybody? It's Big T with GreenWallSt.com, back with another trading video, this time on DWAC, DWAC. This is Donald Trump's little media company or whatever it is. Anyway, the stock has been ripping for the last day or so, and ran from like 18 to 30, and then this morning was down 14% in the pre-market. So my idea was, if we bounce back into some of that resistance from pre-market in the morning, I wanted to get short the stock and try not to overstay. For the last couple of weeks in the market, things have been very choppy. There's not a whole lot of liquidity. Most of like the quote unquote dumb money has really been getting expunged from the market this year because it's been really difficult. So the only people that are really trading are very serious traders. We don't have those kind of easy opportunities right now. Big volatility, big range, and a lot of people that are trading that really don't know how to trade. And because of that, the competition is quite a bit stiffer. And because of that, I've been a little bit more nimble with my trading, or trying to be, and not going for home run trades, just really taking singles and trying to stay alive and survive in this market cycle. So DWAC, tanked off the open, and that's one of those times where, I was watching it around 27, but I knew I wanted it to bounce higher than that. And, I just let it go. I let it fall, and I wasn't sure if it was going to bounce into kind of my levels that I wanted to trade. But if it didn't bounce into my levels, then it's not a good trade. I think that's the real key difference. A lot of times is looking at a stock and realizing that you're not trying to make money on a particular stock, or I'm not, at least. I'm watching a stock that has range and has potential, and if it sets up like I want it to set up, then I will take the trade. But whenever I start looking at a stock and I'm trying to figure out like, how can I force money out of this stock based on what it's doing, I lose. But if I look at a stock and say, hey, I would love if it did this right here, this, and this, and it does those things, then I take the trade. I make money way more consistently when I do that. So stock starts to bounce, gets up to 26, and I'm starting to pay attention, but I'm looking at, again, some of that pre-market resistance around 27, 28, 29 through VWAP. You can see me kind of zooming out, looking at the bigger picture chart to get an idea of where I would like to see it really bounce to. And now we're finally pushing back up near that 27 level. So I start in with some, I'm not full size at this point in the trade. I'm always leaving, some room to let it wiggle a little bit. Cause you never know if it's just going to shoot up higher than you think. And then I finally do, after, a couple of minutes there, add some more. I still had room to add higher on this trade. I didn't get my full size on. Starts to bounce more. I was just about to add more here at 28, but we didn't quite get there. Stock starts to top out, and this was really that moment there. But once we get closer towards the lows, that's where, like, I want to hold for 25 or 24, sweep under the lows, catch a really meaty leg down in the stock. But again, knowing the type of market environment that we are in, I'm just playing it safer. And if I hop in a trade and I get that initial flush and it works, I'm trying to cover some, if not the majority. Whereas in a different market environment, I might be more patient and try to let winners win a little bit more. So again, just trying to adapt to the current market environment and try to trade well. So I end up covering all of it there. This was a GCT trade from yesterday. Recorded that one too. I might upload that, but this is me taking some screenshots for the Discord. But that was the trade today. This was Tuesday, November 8th, and that was the only one I got for the day. So came in, cleaned up, took my trade and walked away. And once again, just trying to continue to put one step in front of the other and just survive in a tougher market cycle. So let me know how you guys are doing down in the comments below. Thank you all so much for tuning in to the trading video. I do appreciate it. If you guys would like to sign up, greenwallstreet.com, link will be in the description below. Come trade live with me every single day. And if not, and you just want to watch the videos, that is fine too. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will catch you right back here next time. Peace out, everybody.